Hi guys, hello everyone. It's me Bijoy Kathar. I said to now for today, please listen everybody. And so no one is safe until everyone is safe. That's why we can stop. Assam and Karbi Anglong has seen an unabridged cruise in COVID-19 course for week 2. Now and while so many are coming together to provide relief to as many as possible, there is still so much left to be done. And COVID-19. So please your supported me will bring health and relief to so many everyday things and counts because every brick matters. Do not do the together for Karbi Anglong, fan of give Karbi Anglong, Assam. Thank you.